All right, y'all, nothing super fantastic, just out here running this buggy again. I did soften the shocks up just a little bit. I'm gonna take them off-road since I'm already in this area running stuff, and I have one of my ramps sitting over there too, one of the Pro Line ramps. So, and the first jump we landed on our nose. You guys know you can get this for $159 if they're still on sale at the time of this video. $169 with two 3S lipos. Oh, that got a little bit more hair than I thought it was gonna get. All right, let's go playing. Let's just blast them. Ooh, almost got it that time. Seeing if this will actually do a backflip. If I can get it just right. Nope. Maybe if I stayed on it, I probably would have landed it. Uh-oh. Did we break something, or did something just... Oh, our dog bone right here came loose. We didn't lose it, but it just weirdly popped out. Yeah, it just popped out. Let me see if I can pop this back in. So real quick, what happened here, if you guys can see this, on one of those jumps, that hub carrier in there kind of broke. I don't know if that's going to focus in or not, but you guys can see that there. That screw doesn't go all the way through there. You guys can see that there. That's why that happened. If it had a screw that went all the way through, that wouldn't have broke. That would have gave it more stability. But since it's already somewhat broke, what I'm going to do is, to end this video, we're going to go ahead and finish breaking it. I'm going to move, if I can get this back on camera, I'm going to take this ramp and I'm going to move it over here, and we're just going to go ahead and blast it a few times since I have to go ahead and go home and work on it anyway. Hopefully we won't lose no dog bones, but we're going to try it anyway. It's jumping good. Like I said, this is one of those Pro Line ramps, so if you guys get one of these, tape it down, especially if you're running it outside. It does have holes here, so if you're taking it off-road, you can just put a nail on each side of it and keep that secure down. But since we're out here, and there with that dog bone going out of there. All right, pop that back in, and that's why I'm driving it on road, because if it pops out, at least I can find it here in the grass. I'll never find it. So we're gonna get one more long final jump in. Hopefully no cars are coming either way, and hopefully I can hit it. I knew that was gonna happen. And I think I completely came unplugged. All right, we just turned off. This will be a little bit safer than going out in the street. This thing is jumping good though, once you get it going good. Oh, battery's coming out. All right, one final last jump before we end this video. I didn't strap that battery in all the way, but anyway. We missed completely. I think that dog bone came out. And now the battery popped out. So that's all user error. I just didn't strap this battery down here good. So what you're gonna have to do is, if that happens, I'm gonna replace the part, but I think if you got a pin that can fit all the way through there, instead of that just being all plastic in between and one screw, that'll actually fix that. So you guys put your comments down below. Like I said, there's a link below in the description if you guys are looking at getting one of these. Let me go ahead and get this battery back in to show you guys. You're like, oh, it's broken and all that. Just that one little piece, but I didn't strap this back in here. And I know you guys said this design reminds you of the Alaro design. So maybe the Alaro one has a pin, because you guys see that there? That goes all the way through there. But let me know in the comments what you guys think about that and a quick fix for that. I'll probably find something and update you guys probably later on this week. Appreciate you watching.